Good morning. This week we're looking at a mixture of sunshine and showers, but we're going to be relatively frost-free. Today that is also the forecast, but you can throw in some gusty winds across England and Wales too. I'll have all the details coming up. Tulu, they're ginormous and they've got flowers as well. But one thing you might be pleased to hear is we're not expecting any frost this week. Doesn't mean that we won't have a frost next week, but this week's looking good, so I'm at risk getting my tomatoes outside. The forecast actually for not just today but for much of this week is one of sunshine and showers. Showers particularly blustery today, especially in England and Wales. Now, the moment we've got this band of rain this morning moving northwards through the North Sea, eventually getting into the Northern Isles, could clip parts of the east coast. And we've also got showers in the west, which will be drifting eastwards through the course of the day. But you know the drill with showers. Some of us will see them and some of us won't. But some of them could well be heavy and potentially thundery. Now, these are the average wind speeds. The gusts will be more like 40 miles an hour across parts of England and also Wales, and these are our temperatures, 9 to 17 degrees. Yesterday, parts of Suffolk reached 22.5. We've not seen that kind of level of temperature since March. Now, through this evening and overnight, we hang on to a lot of the showers. You can see how we've got the rain spreading across Scotland. The showers in Northern Ireland, some of them merging as they push into Scotland, and we'll have some further showers coming in across the southwest. But it's not going to be a cold night. Temperatures falling to between about 7 and 9 degrees. Tomorrow then we start off on quite a sunny note. We still will have all these showers pushing northwards across the west of Scotland, then further showers coming in from the southwest, pushing northeastwards through the course of the day. Again, some of those could be heavy and potentially thundery as well. But in between, there will be some sunshine. Temperatures very similar to what we're looking at today. I'll have a longer forecast in half an hour with a look deeper into the week. But now back to Lou and Dan.
Thank you.
Well, it's a real mixed bag. Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. We've got sunshine and showers for much of this week, but one thing you'll notice is it's not going to be quite as cold by night. Now, these are our latest temperatures. So in central Scotland, in Northern Ireland, in England, in Wales, we are looking at temperatures roughly between 9 and 11 degrees. Low pressure is covering our weather, so a lot of sunshine and a lot of showers. And some of the showers are likely to be heavy and thundery as we go through the week. Now, overnight, we've seen this band of rain pushing steadily northwards, heading up in the direction of Aberdeenshire and the Northern Isles. But we've also got quite a lot of showers in the west. And the showers in the west today are going to be drifting eastwards through the course of the day. Now, in between them, there will be some sunny skies, but some of the showers could be heavy and thundery once again today. And we're looking at blustery winds around the showers, particularly so across England and Wales. Now, the average wind speed won't be all that, as you can see here, fairly low actually, but the gusts could be up to about 40 miles an hour. But later it should dry up across East Anglia and the southeast, and our temperature range 9 to 17 degrees. Yesterday in parts of Suffolk we reached 22.5 Celsius, a temperature we've not actually seen since March. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, there still will be some showers around. The showers coming in across Northern Ireland will merge to give some longer spells of rain as they push into western Scotland. And you can see we still have some rain across the far north of Scotland, but no frost. We're looking at temperatures falling between about 6 and 7 to about 8 or 9. Tomorrow, low pressure is still very much with us. If anything, it's going to be centred just in the Atlantic Ocean, not much more. And we still have those showers across Scotland heading steadily northwards. Now, after a dry start and quite a sunny one, the showers will get going. Again, coming in from the southwest, moving through Wales, heading into the Midlands and pushing eastwards. And rather like today, some of them will be heavy, and we could hear the odd rumble of thunder, even some hail. In between, we'll see something drier and brighter. Perhaps the driest weather tomorrow, looking like it's likely to be across Northern Ireland and south east England. As we go on further through the course of the week, well, you can see still some showers around. A little feature coming in across the southwest of England once again. Basically, it's unsettled with sunshine and showers as we go through the week, and temperatures 10 in the north to 16 in the south. So temperatures are closer to where they should be at this stage of May, either just above or for some of us just below. Lou and Dan.
Thank you very much for that, Carol.
Hello again. We're looking at a day of sunshine and showers. Once again, it's going to be gusty winds across England and Wales with some rain getting in across the far north of Scotland. And for the rest of the week, it looks like sunshine and showers but frost-free. I'll have all the details coming up. Yes, good morning, everybody. This morning, there's a bit of cloud around. There are some showers around. You can see in Ouricher, in Argyll and Butte, we've got that low cloud in the tops of the hills. And the forecast, not just for today, actually, but for this week, is one of sunshine and showers. Today, blustery showers. So we've already got them across Scotland, across parts of Northern Ireland, Wales, central and southern England. They'll work their way eastwards through the course of the day as the rain we currently have in East Anglia moves up the North Sea coastline. Showers continue across Northern Ireland and northwest England, northeast England in the morning, relatively dry, but the showers also across Scotland. Now, as we head on through the course of the day, watch how they move from the west towards the east. They don't dry up in the west, they just develop a bit further east as well, and this rain carries on into the Northern Isles. I mentioned blustery conditions. It certainly will be that across England and also Wales. These are the wind gusts, so we're looking roughly round about up to 40 miles an hour or so. And temperatures today ranging from 9 in Lerwick to 16 or 17 in East Anglia. Now, as we head on through this evening and overnight, some of the showers will fade, but we'll see new ones come in across Northern Ireland and also southern and western Scotland. Some of those will be heavy. We hang on to the rain across the far north of Scotland. Temperature-wise, we're not expecting a frost. We haven't said that for quite a while, but we're not expecting a frost really as we go through this week. So tomorrow dawns on a dry and a bright note, but it won't be long before the showers get going, coming in from the southwest, spreading northeastwards through the course of the day. And tomorrow's highs very similar to today, around about 11 to 17 degrees. Lou and Dan.
Thank you very much.
It certainly is, Dan. Good morning, everybody. That's a good way of describing it, actually. In fact, this week we're looking at a mixture of sunshine and showers, blustery winds at times, with the winds easing as we head towards the end of the week. But something you will notice if you have an allergy to tree pollen is it's high across eastern, central and southern England today. Now, it's still tree pollen, as I mentioned, but we are heading towards the grass pollen season as well. That's really from mid-May. We've got a lot of showers in the north and the west. We've also had some rain coming up from the south, clipping East Anglia, and now it's moving steadily northwards. It may clip parts of Yorkshire and Aberdeenshire before it arrives in the Northern Isles later on. But a lot of showers, some of them travelling eastwards through the course of the day, some developing anyway in the east. In between, there will be some sunshine drying up later on across parts of the southeast and also the south. But gusty winds across England and Wales, gusting as much as 40 miles an hour, so you'll notice that. Temperatures 9 to 17 degrees, so roughly where they should be at this stage in May. Now, through this evening and overnight, we lose some of the showers, but the showers in Northern Ireland clump together, give some heavier rain as they push out of Northern Ireland and in through central and also western Scotland. Temperature-wise tonight, well, it's going to be quite mild. No frost on the horizon. We're looking at 7 to 10 as our overnight lows. Now, low pressure will still be driving our weather tomorrow, and the air around this moves in an anti-clockwise direction, so the showers swirling around it, coming in across the southwest, coming northeastwards as we go through the course of the day as well. Some of those will be heavy, potentially thundery as well. And you can see too, we still are in the milder conditions as represented there by the yellows. So on Tuesday, many of us will start off on a dry and a sunny note. There'll be 1 or 2 showers, and then they really get going, coming in from the southwest and Wales, pushing northeastwards through the course of the day. Again, some heavy and some thundery, maybe even the chance of some hail. We've also got some rain across the far north of Scotland, and temperatures in Lerwick 11 degrees, in Liverpool 16, and as we come down towards London we're also looking at 16 degrees. Now, as we move through Tuesday night and into Wednesday, you can see we still have a lot of showers around. We are going to be frost-free once again, and then on Wednesday itself we continue with showers, but we've got more persistent rain also coming up from the southwest, and that's going to be getting into parts of Wales over towards Dorset as we go through the day. But a lot of us will miss all of this altogether and stay dry. Temperatures 10 in the north to 15 or 16 as we push further south. Now, low pressure remains in charge of our weather, even in the ensuing days from Thursday all the way through into Monday. So we still are looking at sunshine and showers, but towards the end of the week, what you'll find is it's not going to be as windy. And if you're wondering about getting your plants outside, well, this week it does look like it's going to be frost-free. That doesn't guarantee, of course, that next week will be. And you know that old saying, never cast a clue till May is out. Some people think it's the May blossom. Other people think it's your clothing. So take your pick, Dan and
Well,
Lynn.
no, I don't know that old
Today we're looking at a day of sunshine and showers. Some of those will be heavy and thundery, potentially with some hail. Gusty winds too across parts of England and Wales, but milder than it has been for many of us. I'll have all the details coming up. Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. That's right, Lou. The forecast for today is one of sunshine and showers, and some of the showers are going to be heavy with some hail and also some thunder and lightning in them as well. We've got some rain too, moving away from East Anglia, scooting up the North Sea coastline through the day. When that eventually clears for the south of England and also Wales, in through the Midlands, East Anglia, we're looking at that mixture of sunshine and showers and gusty winds as well. Northern Ireland, northwest England also seeing some showers, as is much of Scotland, but eastern parts of the country, northeast England for example, should stay dry this morning, but it won't last because those showers are travelling eastwards as we go through the day. And don't forget, some will be heavy and thundery with some hail. And at the same time, here comes the rain arriving in the afternoon across the Northern Isles. Now, I mentioned blustery, gusty winds today across England and Wales in particular, gusting as much as 40 miles an hour around the showers. So that is something that you will notice. And temperatures, well, yesterday we got up to 22.5 in Santon Downham in Suffolk. Today we're looking at temperatures roughly where they should be at this stage in May, 9 to 17 degrees. Now, through this evening and overnight, a lot of the showers will fade. Some of them, though, will really get going across Northern Ireland, merging to give some longer spells of rain as they push into Scotland. And we still have that rain across the far north of Scotland. But looking at those temperatures, you can see we're not expecting a frost. Tomorrow we start off on a largely dry note with a fair bit of sunshine, but showers will get going, particularly in the southwest, drifting northeastwards through the day. And we still have that rain across the far northwest of Scotland. Dan and Lou. Thank you. But I've also got some showers as well, so we'll quickly draw over them. Today, though, that is the mixture, sunshine and showers. Some of them will be heavy with hail and some thunder as well, and blustery around the showers, particularly so across England and Wales. Now, you can see the showers in the north and the west. We've had some rain which has come up overnight from the south, pushing northwards. It will arrive in the Northern Isles by the time we get to this afternoon. But in between those showers, there will be some bright skies. There'll be some sunshine, but if you're heading out in Scotland, it's probably worth taking your brolly with you. Same too across Northern Ireland. Bright spells, some sunshine and showers, and the same for northwest England. At this stage, something a wee bit drier in the northeast of England. But the showers, Wales getting into the Midlands, getting over towards the Wash, and a few getting into southern England as well. Excuse me. So through the day, the showers develop further. Some of them push east, some of them develop in the east, some of them heavy and thundery with hail. Don't forget the gusty winds as well, gusting up to 40 miles an hour across parts of England and Wales. And temperatures today looking at about 9 in the north to 17 as we come further south. Now, through this evening and overnight, some of the showers will fade, but some will merge across Northern Ireland, pushing into Scotland. You'll see some heavier bursts of rain. A lot of us will have a dry night, and it's not going to be cold either. We're not anticipating any issues with frost. Our overnight lows 5 to about 8 degrees. So many tomorrow start on a dry and a sunny note, but there'll be showers coming in across the southwest, pushing northeastwards through the course of the day. Still some rain across the far north of Scotland, and temperatures tomorrow very similar to today. Dan and Lou.
Thank you very much.